guys, welcome back to the Yinzer Cave. As you can see behind me, it is a disaster down here. Super swamped at work, got some work papers out, but I wanted to film this quick Walmart clearance haul that we just picked up. Hopefully you checked out the short that I posted. It was a really good trip this time. Not a lot of stuff, but really good. First, what we found was another Blippi lunchbox. This one, the little Yinzer's gonna keep this one, so I wanted to get her one. She loves Blippi, and this was the last one they had. The next thing we found was this Uno set. It's the DreamWorks Spirit Untamed Uno. $3. This thing goes for about $9 plus shipping, so I don't think it would be a quick flip, but it might be, and it will still bring in some cash. Next thing we found was this color reveal Barbie. I am not even sure what it is. Nope, not sure. It says 1 pet with 5 accessories. But we picked it up for $3. These do pretty decent compared. We ended up picking up 2 of them. So easy lister. List 1, change the quantity on it. The next thing we found was this Play-Doh Slime Hydro Glitz. Found 2 of them. We paid $2 each. Slime's popular. My kids wanted them, but they're not keeping these ones. I hate slime personally. So this has, I'm not even sure what's in it. Again, it looks like there's two different types of slime colors with a dinosaur. So pretty neat, $2 each. They probably sell for about $10 if not more. That was all they had of those. When I was scanning stuff, if something did sell, I just wiped it out because, hey, if it's gonna sell, take them all. Plus, if this stuff doesn't sell, guess what? I have 3 kids upstairs. They will love to play with this stuff. So, next thing we found, and I'll show you this one first. It's Barbie tennis clothes. Tennis racket, tennis ball, shirt, pants, $1.50. Barbie clothes. These things seem to do really hot. So then, to keep on the Barbie clothes, we picked up this one, and it's a Make a Splash mermaid fun one. We had 3 of these at $1.50 each. Looks like it has a visor, some sandals, sunglasses, stuff like that. Last thing of Barbie clothes we found, and they only had 1 of these. This one was $3. This was Roxy. Looks like it's a shirt, a camera, a purse, some shoes, a necklace, and a visor. So for $3, Barbie clothes are very popular. So happy with those. Last but not least, we ended up picking up a lot of these. I even actually took the box too. My daughter loves her, and it's JoJo. JoJo Seawall. This is a Mystery Collectible Figure Series 3. It looks like you can find one of these figures in the box. $2 each. We took the whole box. 1 missing right there. Ended up being 11 total. $22. Yeah, $22. I think if my math's right. If it's not, comment below. It's been a long day at work. So these things sell for about $9 to $10 a piece. So this is where I think all of the money will be made mostly on this. This and the Barbie. Actually, I think everything's going to sell. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure if it's red, change it to gray. That way it helps out our channel. We are trying to grow. We want to continue to put out good content for you guys, and we hope you guys are enjoying the content. Been seeing a lot of new names in our live chats that we have. We usually do a live chat on Friday or Saturday, my wife and I, and then we also have a live chat on Monday with Dayton Valley Deals. We've been having guests. We've had some good guests recently. We've had Philly Flipper. We've had the Back Road Bitter Chuck. We have some good guests. Yinzer Picker is coming up. I don't know when this video will be out, so he might have already been on. Check us out. Hit that bell notification, so anytime we do post a video, you'll be notified when we post it. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.